how would you give them advice to go out and try to actively pursue that?
Honestly, I think that, and I'm learning this too, as I go along with all these new sites like Twitter and MySpace and YouTube. Those things go really far. I've discovered a lot of artists on my own, just on MySpace, messing around on MySpace and on YouTube. And I think as far as marketing goes, like the world is, I mean, it's definitely changing with all the new technology. And I think that's probably the best way to go about it. MySpace actually is a record company now, called MySpace Records, and they have a lot of really great acts.
Thank you.
Yeah.
No. Right here.
What else?
Right
here. Hold on.
Hey Jesse.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
I was just wondering what inspired you to write your songs?
When?
What inspired you to write your songs?
What inspired me? It's a number of things. I mean, whenever anybody asks me that, I tell them that I like to write about what I know. You know, I've only been around for 21 years. I'm about to be 22. So I only know so much. So I try to base that in everything. You know, it's fun to write. You know, a song based on just a hypothetical situation. That's fun too. But I think the most honest songwriting comes from personal experience, whether it's a relationship or traveling. It doesn't really have to be about anything, but in particular, there's no format. But it's, I don't know. To me, writing about what I know, it definitely I think comes across as the most honest.
Cool. Thank you.
All right. Anyone else? Okay.
Hey.
I should tell him that. What do you think about me thinking you're sexy?
What are other artists you like to work with?
I'm working, well, I mean, I've been doing a lot of writing for other artists. I just got out of the studio, I just wrote a couple records for Tony Braxton. She's got a new album coming out. And I'm supposed to be getting together Jordan Sparks to do some stuff for her record. As far as collabs, like as a feature or duet, nothing in the works right now, but I'm sure there'll be more to come in the upcoming year, the rest of 2009. Yeah, I'm not sure exactly just yet, but...
Cool, we have time for 2 more questions, and then we'll do a group photo, and we'll have a run.
I know you said you've been doing a lot of writing for other artists lately, and I don't know how you push your songs in your your manager can contact them, or you can. What do you want to someone who doesn't have as many contacts in the music industry?
Sorry, but I have to put him answering my question on YouTube.
Your songs are already established artists? That's a good question. Again, like I was saying earlier, to me, there are so many people, including artists, that go online and are looking for, the next best songwriter, the next, big artist, and a lot of record executives. Everyone that I know is on there looking for the next big thing. I think just really you have to go out and get it. It's not going to come to you. It's not going to just show up at your front door. You really have to go out and work for it and work as hard as you can.
And sexy.
You have to hustle a little bit.
And you're for being sexy.
That drive is what got me where I am to some degree, again, any outlet, any way of getting your music to people who hear your music, I think always works. Whether it's passing CDs out on the street, or just putting up all your music on your MySpace page. Go check out my music. There are people who have posted, comments on my MySpace. Let's check out my music if you really like it. And I've gone on there and browsed and heard, a few really cool things, a few really terrible things. But you come across some really talented people.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. And so last question, then we'll do a group photo.